Hi everyone, thanks for watching this video. So today's class is to introduce the method of using embedded services on SuperOS platform. So SuperOS platform provides various embedded services under entity and form template to conduct basic operations. So let's dive deeper into the detailed process. Here, first of all, we need to log into our SuperOS platform and in Design Center under Object Model Management. Now, before we get into that, there's something you need to take notice of. Let's see, directly under Entity Template, let's get inside under Service. Here, as you can see under the script here, there is no debugging button for you, so it might not be easy for us to just directly see the results. So what we're going to do today is we'll do it under an object instance, entity instance, like this. Let's get into it. So under services, you can see here all the other services are the embedded services. Here, let's try a simple one. Set property value. You can just directly click it, and here you can see this is the input parameters of the service, and there's a property name and a property value. And you have to remember property name. The format is the property namespace and alias. Okay, so getting to script, you can see here that the debugging button, right? So let's click that. Now you need to enter the input parameters. Let's go back and try a attribute, shall we? You see here I have already created an attribute here. The alias is test and namespace is system, and it's an integer. Okay, let's come here, set debugging. Let me just prop name, remember, must be attribute namespace and attribute alias, and the prop value, let's set it to, yeah, whatever. Okay, true. Now let's go back to check the attributes, see if it's, see here, the attribute value is set. Now here's a reminder for direct service debugging, like what we did just now, can only be done under the current namespace. What does that mean? Let's try. Here, same service as before, debugging. Let's try another property under different namespace, admin demo. Okay, this is an attribute that I know is created under that template. Okay, let's try. Execute. Cannot. Attribute of full name not found. It can only find attributes under the same namespace as this template, at this instance. Okay, that's one. So each embedded service can be conducted directly like this, or it can be used under another service and write a script to debug it. Let's try. Create a service. And how can you use it under custom service? One way is to find the instance and let's try another service. Get property value. Okay, it looks like this. It will give you a script, and what you need to do is to change the input parameters inside it. Let's see, the property name should be system test. Okay, and now let's try return the results so we can see. See here, 89, right? And when you're using the script to conduct the embedded service, you can do it under different namespace. still get looks like this, and run number and debugging here. Sorry, let's also return the result. See, look like this. Now we have finished the conduction of embedded services under entity template. What we need to do next is to show you how to use them under a form template. Okay, inside a form template, let's try. Here, service. Let me try direct debug. Add a table entry. Let's try to add a piece of data, shall we? So the param format is like this. Let me just copy it. And then go to script debugging here. First, paste it here. We need to check the attributes under the template. Okay, let's go back. Attributes. See the first one, amount, namespace MSLs. Okay, let's just try the amount thing. Amount is an integer, make it also 89, and I don't need this. Let's just try one first, shall we? Execute 1, that means it's successful. Let's go to attributes here. Can I see it here? We need to come here. Instance, and try to check. See? 89. Okay, that's direct debug, right? What we can do now is to create another service to use custom service to conduct the embedded services. Okay, script. Also here, you can also use the object selector. Let's try sales order service. Let's again try add a piece of data. Looks like this, and the params is 56. Let's try that. Okay, true. Let's go back. Go to instance. Okay. Now we have finished the whole process of demonstrating conducting embedded service under both entity and form template. And each embedded service can be conducted directly or under custom services. And that's it. Thanks for watching.